So my question is, I have a store selling only Halloween costume slippers and stuff, and I'm thinking to stop selling tomorrow and change store niche because of shipping times. What do you recommend? To be honest, what I would really recommend in that situation is I'd really start, I mean, you should be able to, actually, yeah, it's getting a bit close, isn't it? Typically, I would say, yeah, like switch the niche, change it to like a Christmas store or go more generalized costumes, or just put a notice on every single listing and saying like, do not order for Halloween, something like this. Don't delete, I wouldn't delete the listings because that store, if it's around next year, like it will pop as well and it'll be even bigger than this year. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend just like deleting all the listings, stop doing it. Maybe deactivate them or just change the shipping time to like really extended, put a note at the top of the description, like do not buy this if you want it for this Halloween, something like this. Shipping times are too long, something like this. This is what I would recommend. But you can use those listings next year. And if you've got reviews, you've got sales on them, they're gonna bang and they're gonna pop next year. Quick interruption to this video, I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.